Hey folks, let's talk about pieces of paper you call money. Fiat currency is like having imaginary friends, except instead of friendly ghosts, you have numbers on paper and computer screens that you think represents value. Give me a couple minutes and I promise I will convince you. Unlike gold or other precious metals, fiat currency has no inherent value. It's just paper with some ink on it.
Not this again.
After abandoning the gold standard in 1971, the government can now print as much currency as they want, decreasing its value. It's like playing Monopoly with a cheat code. The government can manipulate the currency to control its citizens. It's like a puppet show, and we're the puppets. Fiat currency thrives on debt. It encourages governments to borrow more, pushing future generations into a never-ending cycle of debt. Such currency relies on trust. Once that trust on the government is shattered, the whole system comes crashing down. It's a house of cards. Prepare before it's too late.